Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Divya English Academy. First of all, Aryan will tell me what topic are you learning in this online class.
Sir, I am learning noun topic in this online class.
Tell me, why do we need to study noun?
Sir, nouns are important because they refer to place, object and people and the more abstract concept. Second point is we need to study noun because all naming words are divided into 5 categories. They are proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun, material noun. Third point, without noun, we will left with verbs, adjectives and adverbs. Fourth point, we need to study noun because it will help us to make singular to plural. Fifth point, the lack of noun will create any subject or object from our sentence, which is good for communication, initially nothing. Sixth point, we need to study noun because we need to study noun gender. Seventh point, we need to study noun because we use noun for conversation practice, WH questions and making questions. And then last 8th point, we use noun in 6 sentences also.
For example?
So like, he is a doctor, he is not a doctor. Is he a doctor? Is he not a doctor? Why is he a doctor? Why he is not a doctor?
Okay. Another question, if I ask you, why do we need to study? Do we know the all of naming words?
Sir, from my side, I am thinking that there are so many naming words which we don't know, like they are physical naming words, medical naming words, vegetables name, sicknesses name. If we go to doctor, then what we will tell if we don't know sicknesses name? So doctor will tell what do you have any sickness? So we will say, I have forgotten what sickness. So we have to learn all naming words.
Absolutely. Learning naming words will help us to communicate with people, and there are different naming words, and naming words are categorized into 5 categories, and then naming words are in singular, plural. While making naming words from singular to plural in English language, there are so many rules. And
so we add es,
ies,
and
ves, changing the middle vowel. Noun gender,
yes,
actor, actress, cow, ox, some are easy and some are difficult, so we need to understand.
Yes, sir.
It's very important. Okay,